Choosing the perfect book for your child. Tips for engaging and age-appropriate reading. Tip number 1. Consider their age and developmental stage. Different age groups have different interests and reading abilities. Tip number 2. Explore various genres. Introduce children to a variety of genres such as fiction, non-fiction, fantasy, mystery, adventure, and science fiction. Tip number 3. Observe their interests. Pay attention to what topics or themes your child shows interest in. Tip number 4. Consult recommended reading lists. Look for curated lists of age-appropriate books recommended by educators, librarians, or reputable children's book organizations. Tip number 5. Preview the content. Take the time to read or scan through a book to ensure it's suitable for your child's age and values. Tip number 6. Consider the illustrations. Choose books with vibrant and engaging illustrations that complement the text. Tip number 7. Seek recommendations from trusted sources. Ask friends, family, teachers, or librarians for recommendations. Tip number 8. Encourage exploration. Allow children to browse bookstores, libraries, or online platforms to discover new titles and authors. Tip number 9. Engage their imagination. Select books with imaginative plots, relatable characters, and open-ended themes. Lastly, tip number 10. Make reading a shared experience. Read books together with your child and engage in discussions about the story.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. For further questions and inquiries, you may contact us at 65646533 or 8614-7651, or visit www.cognitive.com.sg.